Hello, everyone. Welcome to World in English, the channel where we talk about different countries and learn English step by step.
Hi guys, I'm Alex.
And I'm Maya. Today we are going to talk about a very special country.
Yes, this country looks like another planet. It has fire, ice, water, and strong nature.
Today's country is Iceland.
Maya, when you hear the word Iceland, what do you imagine?
I imagine cold weather, snow, big glaciers, and the northern lights in the sky. But at the same time, I think about hot water and hot springs.
That's a great description. Iceland is full of contrasts, and that makes it very interesting.
Let's talk about basic facts first. Alex, where is Iceland located?
Iceland is in Europe in the North Atlantic Ocean. It is an island country, so it is surrounded by water.
Is Iceland close to other countries?
Yes, it is not very far from Greenland, Norway, and the Faroe Islands, but it feels very isolated.
What is the capital city of Iceland?
The capital city is Reykjavik. It is the northernmost capital city in the world, and it is small but very modern.
What language do people speak there?
The official language is Icelandic. It is an old language, very close to the language of the Vikings. But many Icelanders speak English very well.
Iceland is famous for its nature. What makes Icelandic nature so special?
Iceland has everything: volcanoes, glaciers, mountains, rivers, waterfalls, black sand beaches, and hot springs. Nature there looks wild and untouched.
Is it true that Iceland has white nights?
Yes, it's true. In summer, the sun almost never goes down, especially in June and July.
How does that feel for people?
It feels strange at first, but also very exciting. People can walk, travel, and enjoy nature even at midnight.
And what about winter in Iceland?
Winter is cold and dark, but very beautiful. This is the best time to see the northern lights.
What do the northern lights look like?
They look like green, purple, and sometimes pink lights dancing in the sky. It's a moment people never forget.
Why do people call Iceland the land of fire and ice?
Because Iceland has many active volcanoes and large glaciers. Fire comes from volcanoes, and ice comes from glaciers.
Is it safe to live near volcanoes?
It can be dangerous, but Icelanders are well prepared. They respect nature and listen to scientists.
I heard that Iceland uses volcano energy. Is that true?
Yes. Iceland uses geothermal energy to heat homes and water. This makes the country very eco-friendly.
What animals can people see in Iceland?
In the ocean, people can see whales and dolphins. Whale watching is very popular with tourists.
And what about horses?
Icelandic horses are very special. They are small, strong, and very friendly.
What are Icelandic people like?
They are calm, kind, and love nature. They also love books, music, and stories.
What about Icelandic food?
They eat a lot of fish and lamb. Some traditional dishes are unusual, but they show the culture of the country.
What place should everyone visit in Iceland?
Thingvellir National Park is very important. It is a place of history and amazing nature.
For me, Iceland feels calm, strong, and magical.
I agree. It's a country you want to visit at least once in your life.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel World in English.
And write in the comments, would you like to visit Iceland? Why or why not? See you in the next episode.